A couple different products that the National Weather Service provides to help you plan out when impactful weather may be occurring across our region are called the Hazardous Weather Outlook and the Enhanced Hazardous Weather Outlook. Both of these products can be found on the National Weather Service homepage down at the bottom under Hazardous Weather. So if you click that link, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, that will have a map of our area and then a table on the right hand side that shows all the different hazards and then a color that corresponds to that hazard. Obviously, as you move up the scale from yellow, orange, red, and purple, the more severe the impact that we're expecting, or the severe the hazard that we're expecting. So for reference, if we were to click on the orange box for non-thunderstorm winds under the day 1 category there, it's going to bring up a map that shows our immediate area with the map colored yellow and orange, and then the definition or the description of what the different colors means is down at the bottom. So the orange color represents areas that we're expecting 30 to 39 mile an hour sustained winds and wind gusts in the 45 to 57 mile an hour range. You can also find a text description of these hazards by clicking the HWO text at the top right, and that will give you a very brief and broad overview of the different hazards over the next 7 days. So overall, both of these products provide a kind of a good way to look at potential hazards across our region over the next 7 days and what those hazards may be.